you beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lucy Stephenson, but if you are new here, you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, please don't forget to hit subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel, and turn that notification bell on. I'm uploading on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays. However, there will be some bonus videos in between as well. Today I have a really exciting one. I've had this again waiting to film for so long. So I've got a massive W7 haul. I basically did some work for W7. I was on, I don't know if I'm still on the stand because it was meant to end like the end of December, but I was basically on the stand in Tesco. If your Tesco had a W7 stand with a little screen on it, then you might have seen my face in there as well. I basically did some work with them, and one of the things that they paid me, but they also gave me a voucher as well. So originally they gave me like a voucher for doing the work, and then they were so impressed with the video that I did that they then also paid me as well, which I was just buzzing just to get a voucher because I thought this would be mint to like stock up on W7 stuff. But yeah, they loved my stuff so much, and the owner of the company loved it so much that they offered me, like they actually paid me as well. So that was mint. That was a good time. So yeah, I'm going to show you what I got with the voucher. So I had a £20 voucher from before that they'd give me when I first joined like their VIP like PR list, and then I also had this £100 voucher that they give me for doing some work with them, and I also have two little PR parcels as well. So we've got a lot to go through. So let's just get straight into it. I'll start with like the one that came recently, which is like the newest launch from them. So this came, I think it was last week. This is my first time opening it because mental health. But yeah, this is just what it looks like. So this palette, by the way, is beautiful. I'm so glad that they've done a palette that is like just off W7. Like it's not like a, as far as I'm aware, it's not a dupe for anything, and I love that. I feel like W7 needs to do it more often, because if they can produce things like this and it be really, really nice like this, they can definitely do some really, really good things. So this is the Love Fest Express Yourself 40 Loved Up Pressed Pigment, vegan friendly, it's paraben free, and it retails for $14.95. This is my first time opening it, so let's have a look at, oh, the packaging's beautiful. This is going to be so good for Valentine's Day coming up. I'm assuming that's kind of the vibe that they were going for. Let's have a look inside. Oh yeah, she's nice. Oh, we've even got like a pop of like a vibrant pink in there as well. And then this is just what the palette looks like. So we have got like a nice vibrant pop of pink. We've got some purples in here as well. We've got some more like mauve colours. This looks like a pressed glitter. We've got some lighter shades up here, which would be good for transition blending out, but yeah, that's them kind of ones. They don't excite me as much because they're just like ones that you need, but these ones, oh, these ones excite me. But then we also have like the warm kind of neutrally shades as well, if you want to go for more of a warm look. Ooh, hello, it's me. But yeah, beautiful, and for the price as well, really nice. My friend Lizzie has already said to me today that I need to try this because it's really, really good, and she absolutely loves hers. So do you want me to do a video on it? Please let me know, because there's so much in this video that I can do videos on. The other PR stuff that they sent me was quite a while back, but obviously I haven't had a chance to show you. So this is their 3 little palettes that they brought out. These look like they're inspired by Huda Beauty. So this is the Sweet Cocoa Pressed Pigment palette. So I've not even opened them. This is how bad I've been. I hate when they put sticky stuff on it and then it makes the product sticky afterwards. I just hate sticky stuff. But this is what this one looks like. I'm not going to open the other two because that was just way too much effort to open them both. But this is just what they look like. So again, if you want me to do like a video on these, please let me know, because I'll definitely do that. And I'll maybe do like a 3-in-1 video testing them all out. But yeah, let me know what you want me to do first, because there's going to be a lot of stuff in here that I could do videos on. The next one, so that is all of the PR stuff. The rest of it's all the stuff that I got out of my vouchers. So this one here is the W7 Buff Take 2 palette. As you can probably tell by the packaging of this, this is a dupe for the Urban Decay Reloaded palette. It just looks like this, and it's got like a little cushiony top to it. So that is the Buff Take 2 palette. I don't have the reloaded to be able to compare them. Next up, which I am super excited about, this is the W7 Cookie Trio little set. This is just got 2 mini and 1 standard size reusable makeup remover pads. I have totally gone onto the makeup remover pad trend. I am cutting down fully on my cotton use, like my cotton pad use anyway. Mine only has 1 in it. Oh, the other one's in there. I was going to say I've been ripped off. So yeah, it comes with 2 little ones, and it comes with the big one. These, if I remember rightly, these ones you can use without any makeup remover. Yeah, so you can literally just add water to this and it'll take your makeup off. However, I still do a cleanse because I want to get everything out of my pores. I also got this, which I've been wanting for ages, because I bought the Too Faced one to be able to compare it to you and do like a dupes video. So again, let me know what videos you want me to do down below, because I'll make sure that I definitely do them for you. It's dusty because it's been outside for so long. But this is just what it looks like. So very clearly it looks like the same packaging and everything, same colours to the Too Faced one, but for an absolute fraction of the price. I also got these. So these are the W7 Blush Rebel blushes. So I got all 3 of them. This first one is the shade Teach Me, which just looks like this, and I think obviously they're very similar to like the NARS packaging. This one is called All Night, which I'm assuming this one is going to be the one that's going to be kind of similar to NARS Orgasm. This reminds me of one that I used to have from NARS in like a palette. I can't remember what it was called. And then the last one that we have is Tease, which just looks like this. This one's more of like your natural peachy little bit of something on your cheeks kind of blush. I'm so excited to put them in my makeup collection. I have no idea where, because I feel like I need to separate powder blushes and cream blushes from each other. I think that's what I need to do, because it's like, yeah, it's like took over. Another cream product that I got, which I've been wanting to try for ages, this is the W7 Bronze Chic Universal Bronzing Balm, and again, this is meant to be a dupe for the Chanel one. This is what it looks like. I personally don't rate the Chanel one. I've got it, so I can definitely do a comparison between the two. I did buy a lot of these products to do comparison videos and do like a full W7 dupes video, so I think it'd probably be easier just to do it all in one, and then I can compare it with the high-end one. But yeah, the Chanel one I would never get rid of, because it was a very, very special 21st birthday present from like old work friends, so I would never get rid of it. However, I just don't think it is worth the hype that people have for it. So yeah, it'd be interesting to see what that looks like, because that looks like a very similar colour to it as well. I also got these, which if you know NARS Tinted Moisturiser, you'll think very similar. They're very similar indeed. So these are the W7 Just Tinted Natural Skin Tinted Moisturiser, and I got 2 shades because I wasn't sure which one I was going to be. So I got Nude and I also got Almond. So yeah, probably could be this one. This one maybe like in summer, depending how it comes up. But I do actually have the NARS one, so I thought we could do like a comparison. Did you see my thought process when I did this order? I was thinking, what can I use? What can I compare for videos for years? So I got that so I can compare it to the NARS one, which is ridiculously expensive. Like, it cost me like £30 and that was so long ago. Another thing that I got, but this is more just for me, this is a W7 Very Vegan Perfectly Matte Foundation. If you watch my channel, I won a giveaway with W7 like years and years and years and years ago, just like an Instagram giveaway, and it was like basically like a trip to go to London, and I went to like this animal place, and I went to like this vegan restaurant. Like Liv from Love Island was there, and there was also Stephanie, who was like a big YouTuber, she was there too, and it was all for their W7 Very Vegan range. I absolutely love this foundation, like absolutely love it. So this is like the new one, and you can't get this anymore, so I wanted to see whether this one is the same as this one, or whether it's different, because this one was never described as like a matte foundation, just like it says HD, whereas this one is described as a matte foundation. But one thing that I will say, and I said this, I've done like a full review video on this W7 foundation if you want to go check it out. If I forget to link it down below, just go check it out on my channel. The one thing that I will say about W7 is their shade range for foundations is ridiculous. Like, not inclusive at all. A very, very, very limited shades. That's the one thing that I will say about it. It's hard for I'm sure it was something like 5 or 6 shades, which is just ridiculous. It's 2022, do you know what I mean? I just got that because I wanted to see whether it was the same as the other one. I also picked up some of these, which is the Silky Knot little hair bubbles. So you get 3 large silk scrunchies in here. I just absolutely love scrunchies. I've been wearing the Revolution ones, but I wanted to see what these ones are like, and I love the colours of them. So we have this one, a brown one, and a black one. And then the last kind of bundle of stuff that I've got is all lip products. So we have a liquid lipstick set. This is the W7 Better to Pout matte liquid set. We have hot cocoa, gingerbread, sugar cookie, and cinnamon spice. Every single one of these smells like what the name is. Like every single one has a different scent. It blew me away when I opened these when they first came. And I was like sniffing it, and I was like, and I was on the bed with Blake, and I said to him, smell this one, what do you think that is? And then he guessed, and I was like, yeah, gingerbread. So yeah, got 4 in the pack for this one. This is just because I just wanted to try them and just see what they were like. So I got them. I do have a code with W7, by the way, for their website. Luce10 gets you 10% off. It's not affiliate or anything like that. I don't want any money from it, but it just saves you some pennies. So go save yourself some pennies if you're going to buy something. And they have free shipping as well. So if you just want to buy 1 or 2 things, you're not having to pay for shipping, because we all know, I mean, I don't know about you, but I hate paying for shipping. It like hurts my soul. So the last things that I got is basically their whole lipstick range, from the white packaging, which is this packaging, and also the major matte packaging. So I'll go through these white ones first, which I'm assuming is like inspired by like Tom Ford kind of vibes. That's the vibes that I get from it anyway. So these are their 2 fabulous lipsticks, and I'll show you what they all look like. So first one that we have is Fierce. That is going to be a summer shade, definitely. And then we have another one that's definitely going to be like a bright one, is Legacy, which is a hot pink. And then we have Yas, which just looks like this. Oh, it's a shimmery one. I don't think I must have noticed that before. That'll be interesting to see what that's like. Oh god, I'm throwing it. And then we have the shade Realness, which is a darker, again a shimmery one, a darker one. I definitely can't have been in light when I opened these up in the bedroom, because now that I've got my lights on I can see some of them are sparkly. This one is Pause, which is not sparkly. That one's beautiful. A lot of like bright ones for this one. We also have Abundance, ooh, which is a dark one. Then we have Icon, which is more of a orangey one. Like I said, a lot of like summery ones. And then last one is Sleek, which is one of our more nudie ones. Ooh, would this go? Yeah, I think it would go. So that's from the 2 Fabulous range. And then I also picked up all of the major mattes as well. So this is just what they look like. These again look very inspired by the Huda Beauty ones. I don't know what I've actually got. Oh, here we are. I'll show you my Huda Beauty one and then compare it to the major matte ones. So I thought this is another one that I could test in comparison, because I have got 4 of these Huda Beauty ones. So we shall see if any of them are similar. So I'll start with the nude ones, because this is what I've got, one that might be similar of. So we have Exposed, which is beautiful. And then we have Original, which just looks like this. Okay, so in true Lucy's life style, since I filmed that last clip, I've had a family emergency that I had to then deal with, and then had my tea, and I've now made myself a cup of tea. I'm not even going to bother putting my lip combination back on, because I'm going to film this last clip and then finish off this video. But yeah, welcome to my life. Ding. Anyways, right, let's go for these last few ones of these lipsticks. I was putting my lip combination back on and I was like, oh, I can't even pretending like that nothing's just happened there. But I'm back. My phone's next to me. If anyone needs me, they know I'm here. There's nothing I can do at this moment in time, so I'm just on guard of looking at my phone. So last 6 shades. So let's go back to the nudes. This is more like a pinky one. So we have Freedom. Oh, actually it's quite vibrant, like compared to the outer packaging. I thought it was gonna be like a nudie pink, but it's actually quite a vibrant pink. So that one is Freedom. Freedom, I won't let you down. will not give you up. I've been listening to Pitch Perfect recently, if you couldn't tell. And then we have Heartache, which just looks like this. Then we have Modest. Oh, that one is nice. See, that looks, I don't know if it's this camera, like this screen, or that it looks like it on camera, but it's not as dark and as vibrantly pink as what it looks there. It's actually quite like a nude, like a muted mauve colour. That looks really, really, really nice. And then we have Bond Girl, looking like this. I feel like out of these two lipstick collections, we need more nudes. A lot of them are like vibrant, bubblegum, like kind of summery vibes. We need more like deep chocolates and nudes and stuff. This one's really nice. This one's a nice red. This one is called Entourage. I feel like this one should have been called Bond Girl. And then last but not least, we have House Red. Oh, jeez. Let's see them two next to each other. That one is shiny as, like, not like shimmery, but like just the lipstick itself. Oh my god. So yeah, I can definitely tell. Sorry, my phone's going off. I'm just checking it isn't a family thing. It's not, it's Depop. It's all good in the hood. So yeah, that is the two reds. And that is literally everything. Like, it's such a massive haul. I managed to get it in with my 10% discount code as well, which was banging. So yeah, that is everything that I got from W7, including like PR recently as well. I would love to know what you think, and should I do like a dupes video? I feel like that's going to be like the best way for me to approach this and get as much of the products covered as possible. So I'm thinking like maybe a dupes video with like the Tinted Moisturiser versus the NARS one, the cream bronzer versus Chanel, the blusher versus NARS, the Huda Beauty lipsticks versus theirs, the Too Faced eyeshadow palette versus theirs. Oh my god. The lipstick just fell out. Let me know what you think, but I do definitely want to do a video on that new palette that just came out as well, especially because Lizzie said that it's really, really nice. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I can't believe that out of my whole day I've only managed to get 2 videos filmed. This is just life at the moment, so I'm gonna have to just get over it. If you're wondering what my lip combination was, because I mentioned it in the other video, but obviously if you're just watching this one, it is the W7, the All-Rounder lip liner in the shade Fling, obviously not what I've got on now. And then I also use the Creme Cup lipstick from MAC. And for my eyes, it's like a little tart palette that my friend Ruby gave me. I have no idea what this is called. There's no like sticker or anything on it. I don't know if it's out of a gift set or what. And it is absolutely stunning. I'm loving like the shadow eyeliner vibe that I've done. Maybe like that. But if you're wondering what is on my lips, because lip oils are massive at the moment, it is the XX Revolution lip oil. And this is from the kombucha collection that I bought, like way before I even started working for Rev. I don't know if you can see, but I've nearly used this up. This is amazing. But yeah, that is everything. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, I love you so much, and hopefully we'll see you in another video very, very soon. Thank you to my patrons who actually are messaging me at this moment. Melissa's messaging. But yeah, thank you so much, and I'll hopefully see you in another video very, very soon. Love you. Bye.